Nizoral Shampoo contains the active substance ketoconazole. It's an antifungal medication used topically to treat fungal infections of the scalp, such as dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. Indications: Nizoral shampoo is indicated for the treatment of dandruff, to control flaking, itching, and scaling of the scalp. Seborrheic dermatitis, to alleviate symptoms like redness, itching, and inflammation of the scalp and skin. How to use: Nizoral shampoo is for external use only and is applied to the scalp and affected areas. Wet your hair and scalp thoroughly. Apply a small amount of Nizoral shampoo to your scalp. Lave and leave the shampoo to your scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Use Nizoral shampoo twice a week for 2 to 4 weeks or as directed by your healthcare provider. Contraindications: Don't use Nizoral shampoo if you are allergic to ketoconazole or any of the ingredients in the shampoo. You have open sores, wounds, or irritated skin on your scalp. Precautions: Avoid contact with your eyes. If the shampoo comes into contact with your eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. If you experience any skin irritation, redness, or itching after using Nizoral shampoo, discontinue use and consult your healthcare provider. Side effects: Common side effects of Nizoral shampoo may include but are not limited to dryness or irritation of the scalp, burning or stinging sensation, changes in hair texture. Serious side effects are rare, but if you experience any severe allergic reactions or worsening skin symptoms, seek medical attention immediately.